Hi, hello, namaste. Today I wanted to discuss with you determinant of order 2 by 2 matrix. This is helpful for all board exams and competitive exams. Hi, hello, namaste, my dear friends, one and all. My name is Krishna Reddy, founder of Aparnika Reddy Institute of Mathematics and Sciences, aims Dare to Success, made in India. Super shortcut tips, tricks, solution, especially made for you. Hi, hello, namaste, my dear friends. My name is Krishna Reddy. Today I came with a new trick and a new video. Today I wanted to discuss with you matrices and determinants. From this chapter, today I wanted to tell you determinant of the matrix of order 2 by 2. Determinant of the matrix order 2 by 2. This method will help you in all type of competitive exams from matrices chapter. So today I wanted to start a super shortcut trick to get a determinant of the matrix of order 2 by 2. So I wanted to write a super shortcut trick determinant. So det A, B, C, D is equal to cross multiply A into D, AD. After that write minus, next multiply B and C. You will get mod or det ABCD is equal to formula AD minus BC. According to given question, A equal to 2, B equal to 1, C is equal to 1, D is equal to minus 5. According to given matrix, we are having A, B, C, D values. So after writing that, I want to take AD minus BC concept. That ABCD is equal to AD minus BC concept. Substituting values, we get A value 2 into D value minus 5 minus B value 1 into C value 1. Normal simplification, we get plus into minus, minus 2 into 5, 10, minus 1 into 1, 1, minus 10 minus 1 is minus 11 is the determinant of the matrix 2, 1, 1, minus 5. Next, one more example I wanted to explain you. Determinant of 4, 5, minus 6, 2. So according to concept, what is the formula? Mod or det ABCD is equal to AD minus BC. So now I wanted to write ABCD values. A is equal to 4, B is equal to 5 and C is equal to minus 6. Last one D is equal to 2. Formula is AD minus BC is equal to A value 4 into D value 2. After that minus, next B value is 5 into C value is minus 6 is equal to 4 into 2 is 8, minus of minus plus 5 into 6, 5 6 are 30, 30 plus 8 is 38 is the determinant of the matrix 4, 5, minus 6, 2 by using small shortcut that ABCD is equal to AD minus BC. Next, one more question I wanted to explain you. Det 2 minus 3, 4, 6. Now I wanted to write ABCD values. A is equal to 2, B is equal to minus 3. Next, C is equal to 4, D is equal to 6. Our shortcut formula is AD minus BC. Substitute A value 2 into D value 6. After that minus B value is minus 3 into C value is 4. Next normal simplification. 2 6 are 12. Minus of minus plus 4 3 are 12. 12 plus 12 is 24 is the answer of det 2 minus 3 4 6. Next one more example I wanted to explain you. Determinant of cos alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha. Here I wanted to write A B C D values. A value cos alpha, next B value minus sin alpha, next C value is sin alpha, then last D is equal to cos alpha. Formula is det ABCD value AD minus BC is equal to A value is cos alpha into D value is cos alpha minus B value is minus sin alpha into C value is sin alpha. Normal simplification, cos alpha into cos alpha is cos square alpha, minus into minus plus, next sin alpha into sin alpha is sin square alpha. This formula is from trigonometry. We know very well the value of sin square A plus cos square A is 1. So according to that concept we are having cos square alpha plus sin square alpha. Same answer. Ek Niranjan 1 is the determinant of the cos alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha. Next one more example I want to tell you. Determinant of I 0 0 minus I. I want to write ABCD values. A value I, B value 0, next C value 0, D value minus I. Our formula is equal to AD minus BC. Substituting values. A value I into D value minus I minus C B value 0 and C value 0 is equal to plus into minus I into I square. After that minus 0 into 0 is 0. Minus I square minus 0 is minus I square. We know that I square value is minus 1. By using this concept we are having minus I square, minus coming to this side, minus I square is equal to 1 is the answer of determinant of I 0 0 minus I. Next question I wanted to explain you determinant related question. If det 3x 7 minus 2 4 is equal to 8 7 6 minus 4, det value here you can take a right side value is not det, it is only matrix. Left side value is det. So I wanted to write same value 3x 7 minus 2 4. It is related to det. I wanted to write ABCD values. A is equal to 3x, B is equal to 7, C is equal to minus 2, and at the last D is equal to 4. Our concept shortcut is AD minus BC. Substituting values, A value is 3x into D value is 4x minus B value is 7 into C value is minus 2. Normal simplification, 3 into 4 is 12 into x. After that minus into minus plus 7 2s are 14. So this value is 12x plus 14. And next you can take right side answer also related to det. So det 8764 is equal to, here A value is 8, B value is 7, C value is 6, D value is 4. Our formula is AD minus BC is equal to A value 8, D value 4 minus B value 7 into C value 6 is equal to 8 4s are 32 minus 7 6s are 42. 32 minus 42, small number minus big number is negative symbol. So 32 minus 42 is minus 10. According to given question, they are equal. So you can equate those two values. That is 12x plus 14 is equal to minus 10. So 14 coming to right side. What is the answer? 12x is equal to minus 10 minus 14. Minus 10 minus 14 is minus 24. So 12x is equal to minus 24. 12 ones are 12 twos are. So x is equal to minus 2 is the answer. X is equal to minus 2. Next, one more example related to determinant of order 2 by 2. Given question is mod or det. Both are same. So det x plus 3 minus 2 minus 3x 2x is equal to 8. Then you can find x value. So I want to write same value, x plus 3 minus 3x minus 2 2x, comparing with ABCD values. So A equal to x plus 3, B is equal to minus 2, C is equal to minus 3x, D is equal to 2x. So our formula, shortcut formula is AD minus BC. A value x plus 3 into D value 2x minus B value minus 2x into C value minus 3x is equal to x plus 3 and 2x multiply. We get x into x, 2x square. After that multiply with 3, you will get 2 into 3, 6x. After that minus into minus, plus, plus into minus, minus. So answer is minus. Next 2 into 3, 6x. Plus 6x minus 6x get cancelled. The answer is 2x square for the left side value. So what is the given value? Det is equal to 8 given. So according to the det value is 2x square equal to 8. Cancellation, 2 ones are 2 fours are. What is the remaining value? X square is equal to 4. 4 can be written as 2 square. So left side, right side. If powers both are cancelled, therefore x value is 2. According to the given question, answer of x is 2. Next, one more example I wanted to tell you. If 6 minus x, 4, 3 minus x, 1 is a singular matrix, then we can find x value. So here I wanted to tell you singular matrix definition. Singular matrix means det A is equal to 0. A means given matrix. So det A is equal to 0. So det A value 6 minus x, 4, 3 minus x, 1 is equal to, I wanted to tell you AD minus BC. I mean AD these two values you can multiply directly. 6 minus x into 1, after that minus b c, you can write these two values, b value 4, c value 3 minus x. Normal multiplication, 1 multiply with any number, you can get that another value, that is 6 minus x into 1 is 6 minus x. After that plus into minus is minus, 4 into 3 is 12. Again you can multiply inside, minus into minus plus, 4 into x 4x. Here answer is equal to 4x minus x is 3x. Next 6 minus 12, small value minus big value is negative symbol, so 6 minus 12 is minus 6. According to singular matrix we are having det A is equal to 0. So det A is equal to 0 means det A value is 3x minus 6, which is equal to 0. Minus 6 coming to right side, we get 3x equal to 6. Cancellation, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. Therefore x is equal to 2. By using the given matrix is a singular matrix, then x is equal to 2. So hi my dear friends, if you are getting my explanation by using determinant of order 2 by 2 matrix, already you got my point. By using this concept, you have to practice more and more problems from your concern book. Concern book means related to NCERT or CBSE or any other state syllabus textbook problems. But anywhere determinant of order 2 by 2 matrix, this is a shortcut. Mod or det, ABCD is equal to AD minus BC. If you want to do from matrices more and more questions, you can check playlist. It is in description box. See in description box for more and more shortcuts in matrices and other chapters also. Thank you my dear friends. Thought of the day: learn is equal to earn. Without learn you cannot earn. To get success, a friend in need, a friend indeed. ఆపదలో ఆదుకునేవాడే నిజమైన స్నేహితుడు. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you satisfied with my explanation, please subscribe our channel, support with us, share to your friends, like, comment to this video. Thank you. सबका मालिक एक है. ప్రార్థించే పెదవుల కన్నా సాయం చేసే చేతులే మిన్న. జాయ్ ఆఫ్ షేరింగ్ ఈజ్ కేరింగ్ అండ్ హెల్పింగ్.